Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can check your message history in the Discord mobile application in 2025, for example, on your Android or on iOS. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so there are two different approaches to this. Option number one, you simply navigate to the message or direct message feature in the top left corner of the Discord mobile app and tap into the chat or conversation you have had with one of your friends. Just like that, tap into it and simply browse through that history by swiping up, for example, going back in time so that you may read, for example, which messages have been sent by you and your chat partner. That's option number one, guys. However, if you'd like to, for example, see all messages from all your chats and conversations in one place, you can do this by simply exporting your account data. Let me show you how you can access or request these. So what you want to do is simply tap into your profile button in the bottom right corner. And after that, tap into here into that gear icon in the very top right corner. And on the following menu, what you want to do is tap into data and privacy. And lastly, swipe down again and tap into request all of my data here. As you can see, I just recently requested my data, so I can't do that right now. But you can do that, guys, if you haven't done that yet, by tapping into this button, and on the next page, Discord will give you the opportunity to request all of your data and to have it sent to your associated email address by or through a downloadable link. And that exported data will include also your entire chat history of all of your friends and contacts here on Discord so that you may access these through that. So make sure that you check your email inbox from time to time to see that downloadable link by Discord, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.